Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT to design graphics in Canva. Select your settings, go to apps and connectors, and make sure you've connected with Canva here. And you're just going to type in design me an Instagram post on the benefits of drinking water or something like that in Canva. It should just design in Canva. I don't know like the actual prompt for it, but if it doesn't, you can just go to GPTs and explore and do it in the Canva section of ChatGPT, and you're just going to place that in, and it's going to actually design the post for you via your prompt. Let's do skin glow. And it's just going to, okay, it says talking to connector, confirm, and it's going to basically generate the design here. It does take a while, so just be patient. And this is what ChatGPT showed. You can select from these four, you can generate again, and you can press on it, and it's going to basically open it in Canva that you can edit. For instance, you don't really like the picture that much, you can change it here into something else, maybe a skincare moment, maybe water skincare. So glow with hydration and whatnot. Maybe like this. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!